Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
You heating up, Lavish?
Yeah. Fuck love, I'm tired of trying. All these bitches say I fucked them, but I swear they lying. Niggas giving you attention. They just.
It's Black Gotti here. Today we are going to be trying to wrap my bike. I have a 2024 Street Glide. Me and my guys, we're gonna try to fuck around and see if we can figure this thing out. This is our first time doing it. Please give me a little grace. But yep, we're gonna try to wrap my bike. Let me show you my bike. This is my 2024 Street Glide. It's not halfway bad. So yeah, we're gonna try to wrap it. Do a little camo type deal to it. Yeah, so that's what we got. That's what we're trying to do. Stay tuned. I hope y'all like it. And here comes the rooms. They're coming to help me wrap my bike. The Calvin is here. The Calvin is here. Yay! All right, stay tuned. We're gonna figure out this thing. Right, we got everything tore down. You know what I'm saying? We about to try to wrap this thing.
What you call this soldier?
That shit cut my phone and leave it again.
Ain't no light over here? It's not as bright. This is like the brightest light. Take your shit off. Shit come on. They do. They should, right? They don't come off? Because that shit would be a lot easier No, I don't. It's good because when it come off, it's gonna be something up under it. But it will. It's like that right there. It do come off though. Don't take it all off.
What am I supposed to do then?
Take just the top part off. Oh, you cut it right there.
Yeah, we had it.
Like that. Pick it up. Set it down.
So it's kind of like that. Bring that back down.
I wanna put that on the edge.
Hold on. Is this the front or the back?
What you mean?
The nose. Is this the back?
It does. Does it go on each way, or is it straight though?
I can hold it straight. It's not. This is at the end right now.
You might have to heat that motherfucker.
Yeah.
Stretch it now. The fuck is that? That shit hot as fuck. Oh, that shit, you burning my hand, my boy. Sorry. Definitely too short. No, it ain't. It might be a little bit.
I ain't doing nothing. I don't know what you want to do.
Here, I was trying to say yeah, like right there.
This is what we got so far. Wrap. Got the shoe. Okay. Yeah. Here go the final product. After we wrapped it, not halfway bad, I think. We went for like a kind of half wrap type deal, not a full wrap. The camo tops wraps on the bags. I kind of really like it. Now tell me what y'all think. Like I said, this is our first time doing this. It took us about 2 days to do it. It's not perfect, but I'll take a follow-up video in a few weeks to see how we're looking.